Hello.
Good morning. Welcome to our gift shop.
Thank you. I need some help today.
I would be happy to help you. What are you looking for?
I need to buy 2 birthday gifts.
Who were the gifts for?
One gift is for my mother.
And who is the second gift for?
The second gift is for my best friend.
Let's start with the gift for your mother.
That is a very good idea. She is hard to shop for.
What kind of things does your mother like?
She likes beautiful and relaxing things.
We have a very nice collection of perfumes.
Perfume is a very classic gift for a mother.
Does she prefer floral scents or fruity scents?
She loves the smell of fresh roses.
I have the perfect perfume for her. Let me show you.
Please lead the way.
Here is our best-selling rose perfume.
Wow, the bottle is very elegant and pretty.
Would you like to smell a sample of it?
Yes, please spray a little bit on this paper.
Here you go. Take a deep breath.
Oh, that smells exactly like a fresh garden.
It is very light and not too strong.
I think my mother will absolutely love this.
It is a very popular choice for birthdays and Mother's Day.
How much does this bottle of perfume cost?
This bottle is $55.
That is a very fair price for a nice perfume.
It also comes in a beautiful pink box.
Perfect. I will take 1 bottle, please.
I will put it behind the counter for you.
Now I need to find a gift for my best friend.
Is your best friend a man or a woman?
She is a woman. We have been friends for 10 years.
That is a very long and special friendship.
Yes, she's like a sister to me.
What are her hobbies or interests?
She loves writing and reading books.
We have some beautiful leather notebooks.
A notebook is a very thoughtful gift for a writer.
We also have very nice fancy pens to match.
Let's look at the notebooks first.
They're displayed on the wooden shelf over here.
There are so many different colors to choose from.
What is your friend's favorite color?
Her favorite color is dark green.
Here is a dark green notebook with gold pages.
That looks very vintage and expensive.
The paper inside is very thick and smooth.
It is perfect for writing stories or a diary.
Would you like to add a nice pen to the gift?
Yes, a gold pen would match the notebook perfectly.
Let me show you our gold fountain pens.
Are fountain pens difficult to use?
No, they are very easy and make handwriting look beautiful.
I like this thin gold pen in the black box.
That pen is $30 and the notebook is $20.
So the total for her gift is $50.
Yes, it is a very lovely and useful set.
I think she will write many great things in it.
I am sure she will appreciate the thought.
I also want to buy a small candle for her.
Scented candles are on the table near the window.
I will follow you to the candles.
We have vanilla, lavender, and sandalwood candles.
Lavender is very relaxing for reading at night.
This lavender candle comes in a glass jar.
How much is the small candle?
The small lavender candle is $12.
I will add the candle to her gift too.
So you have the notebook, the pen, and the candle.
Yes, a cozy writing kit for my friend.
And the rose perfume for your mother.
Yes, I'm finished picking out the gifts.
Let's go to the cash register so I can wrap them.
Do you offer a gift wrapping service?
Yes, we wrap all gifts for free.
That is wonderful. It saves me so much time.
Would you like them wrapped in the same paper?
No, please wrap them differently.
Okay, what color paper for your mother's perfume?
Please wrap the perfume in the silver paper.
And what color ribbon should I use?
A light pink ribbon would look very nice with silver.
That will look very elegant and sophisticated.
And for my friend's gifts?
I can put all 3 items in one gift box.
That is a great idea to keep them together.
I have a beautiful dark green box.
Perfect. That matches the notebook inside.
I will tie a gold ribbon around the green box.
You have a very good eye for colors.
Thank you. I have wrapped many gifts in my life.
I am terrible at wrapping presents. Mine always look messy.
It just takes a little bit of practice and patience.
Do you sell birthday cards here?
Yes, the greeting cards are right next to you.
Let me find a nice card for my mother.
The cards with flowers on them are very popular.
This card has a beautiful painting of roses.
It matches the rose perfume perfectly.
Yes, it is a very complete theme.
Now you need a birthday card for your friend.
I want a funny card for my best friend.
The funny cards are on the bottom row.
Oh, this one with the cartoon dog is hilarious.
She will definitely laugh when she opens it.
How much are the 2 birthday cards?
The cards are $4 each.
Okay, I will buy both of them.
Here is a pen so you can write your messages.
Thank you. I will write them very quickly.
Take your time. I will finish tying the ribbons.
A few minutes later, I am done writing the cards.
The gifts are fully wrapped and ready to go.
Wow, they look absolutely stunning.
I will slide the cards under the ribbons.
You made them look so professional.
I'm glad you were happy with the wrapping.
Let's calculate the final total for everything.
Okay, let me scan all the items into the register.
First is the rose perfume for $55.
Yes, next is the notebook for $20.
And the gold fountain pen for $30.
The lavender candle is $12.
And finally, the 2 cards for $8.
Your total amount today is $125.
That is a very reasonable price for such nice gifts.
How would you like to pay for your purchases?
I will pay with my debit card, please.
You can tap or insert your card into the machine.
I will tap it. There, it beeped.
The transaction is approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. I will put the receipt in my wallet.
I am placing the 2 gifts carefully into a shopping bag.
The boxes are very safe inside the bag.
Be careful not to crush the bows on top.
I will carry the bag by the handles very gently.
When are the birthday parties?
My mother's birthday dinner is tonight.
She is going to be so surprised and happy.
And I am seeing my friend for lunch tomorrow.
You are a very thoughtful and generous person.
I just love making the people I care about smile.
Giving a gift is sometimes better than receiving one.
I completely agree with you. It feels very good.
Well, you are all set and ready to go.
Thank you again for all your wonderful help today.
It was my pleasure. I hope they love their presents.
I am sure they will. Have a great day at work.
Thank you. Come back and visit us again soon.
I will definitely return for the next holiday.
Goodbye and have a wonderful time celebrating.
Goodbye.